This pumpkin juice is delicious, Harry.
It is, isn't it?
It's rich in vitamin C, too.
Does anyone else feel a strange...
What's going on? Is it a prank?
I don't think so, Ron.
Just a few more adjustments.
What in the twin suns? Whoa! That's new.
Stay together!
Whoa! Where in Merlin's beard am I? This isn't Tatooine. Who are you? I'm Luke. Who are you? Are you a muggle? You look strange. A what? What's that stick? Looks like something out of a horror film.
It's an ATST walker. Imperial tech.
This place is impossible!
My thoughts exactly. We should stick together.
Do you have any idea how we got here?
I saw a weird light. Then, poof, I was here. My lightsaber. All right. That's quite a trick.
Now we're talking. This is a lightsaber. It cuts through anything.
My wand casts spells. Incendio.
Do you think anyone lives here?
Doesn't look very welcoming.
Halt! You're trespassing.
Blimey.
Protego! Hey! Watch it! Stay down!
Expelliarmus.
We make a pretty good team.
Yeah, this force and magic thing is powerful. The fabric of reality is tearing.
Someone's doing this on purpose.
The dimensions shall bend to my will. These young heroes will try to stop us. Let them come. They are no match for our combined power.
We need to find out what they're planning.
And stop them before more worlds get pulled in.
Potter! Looks like trouble. Foolish boy! Not so fast! Stupefy! Surprise! Petrificus totalus. That's how you deal with dark wizards and space soldiers.
This must be it.
Ready for anything? It's magically sealed. And physically reinforced. Together? Together.
Bombarda Maxima!
It worked!
The pests arrive. Your final mistake.
It ends now, Voldemort! The Force is strong with us!
Confrongo.
Pathetic!
Harry! No!
Levioso! Enough of this insolence! Looks like they're getting serious. So are we. One shot, Luke. Got it, Harry. Push harder! Almost there. We did it!
Yeah, we did.
We did. I think we're going home.
It was an honor, Harry.
You too, Luke.
Betrayed a strange hum?
You wouldn't believe what happened.
Someday, I'll tell someone about this.